Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the 3 things that can 90% fix all the issues on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, what you need to do is just press on the settings icon and go to your iPhone settings. Right over here, you need to scroll down until you find the option of screen time. Simply go ahead and press on screen time. Right over here, you need to go scroll down until you find the option of restrictions. Just simply press on the option of content, privacy, and restriction, and make sure this setting is turned off. Once this is turned off, go back, scroll up and go to general, and in general, go to software update. Just make sure that your iPhone is up to date. Now after that, what you have to do is just make sure that all the apps you have right now on your phone are up to date. And if you're not sure, just go to App Store and just go to your apps and check if they are updated. And once this is done, what you have to do, just simply press on increase button and then decrease button and then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo, and that's it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.